What's up, Sunrays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am excited because Merit came out with some new flush balms. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know that I enjoy Merit products for the simplicity and just the natural look that it gives me. So they came out with 4 new flush balms, and they did send me 2. So I'd like to thank Merit for sending me out these products and partnering with me on this video. So the colors that I picked up, which we are going to use today, is Persimmon, and then I also picked up Apres, A-P-R-E-S, not sure really how you pronounce it, but it looks like Apres. So just to give you a little peek of what it looks like, this is the flush balm. Look at the packaging. It is so pretty. I love the new gold packaging that they have, and this is the color. So it looks very much like a, I don't know, like a rusty orange or a type of a terracotta color. It's really, really, really pretty. So we're going to be using that today, and that's why I got this on. If you remember, their old packaging looked like this, which was still nice, gray with the gold lettering. It was still nice, but they just changed it, took it up a notch and made it all gold. There still is the logo Merit there, but it's just kind of engraved in versus you know, stamped on the gray. So really, really, really pretty. And then the other color, Apres, is more of a deeper, like a burgundy color, if you can see it right here. So it's really nice as well. We're going to be doing both of these colors today, and we're going to be going for a more monochromatic look. So along with that, they did send me 2 of their signature lipsticks as well. So I have the Cabo, and look at that packaging. That's pretty too. Cabo is kind of a orangey red, burnt orange as well, which is really nice. So I'm going to be using these 2 today for my monochromatic look. And then they also sent me the color L'Avenue, darker berry shade. So it should go pretty well with this flush balm. So let's go ahead and get started on this look. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start with the Persimmon Flush Balm. And like I said, I love this. It's so easy to use. You can use it multiple ways. You can use it as a cheek color, an eye color, and a lip color. And that's what we're going to do today for that monochromatic look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just swipe it on my cheeks, and I'm gonna put it on kind of heavy. I'm gonna put it on kind of heavy just because, like I said, it is a minimalist look and we want to make sure that it shows up, right? So then I'm going to just go in with this brush, and I'm just going to blend it in. And I'm taking it up just a little bit on my temples. See how it just gives you that hint of color on your cheeks. Now it is buildable, so if you want it to look deeper, you can add more and get it to look deeper. Y'all see that? Okay, so still working with Persimmon. We're going to go in, and I'm just going to get a little bit of this on a brush, and we're going to apply it to my eyelids. Okay. So I'm just going to use this brush, get some color on there, and we're just going to apply it to the lid. Can you see the difference? Subtle, but there is a difference. So we're going to do it to the other side as well. Okay. So as you know, Merit products are very emollient. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a shimmer in my cheeks as well as my eyes. So again, very nice for just a simple going out the house on a nice day. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use the Cabo lip color on my lips. Ooh, pretty. Their lip colors are so good. They smooth on the lips so easily. So that is a very nice. And then I'm just going to top it with some more of the Persimmon just to see. And guys, what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this lip color again and kind of use it as a liner. Now, there you go. A nice monochromatic look in under 5 minutes. So guys, feel free to use a lip liner if you want to. I just wanted to show you how you can get a nice, beautiful, put together look with just 2 products. So I just use these 2 Merit products for my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and do the same thing, another monochromatic look, but I'll be using these 2. So I'll be using the Apres Flush Balm as well as the L'Avenue lip color to give you another monochromatic look. And I'm going to Okay guys, so that is the video. As you can see, I started out using the Persimmon cheek color as well as the Cabo lip color to show the monochromatic look that I had in the beginning of the video. And I use the Apres cheek color and L'Avenue lipstick to get this monochromatic look that is at the end of the video. So guys, these products are really good. Like I said before, if you are someone that likes a minimal look, who don't want to have to carry a whole lot of makeup, don't want a whole lot of makeup around the vanity and things like that, this is a brand for you, and it will look beautiful on your vanity. Just imagine these on your vanity or in your makeup travel bag, especially if you're going on one of those trips that's just a weekend trip, or you're someone who travels a lot for your profession and you just don't want to carry a whole lot of stuff, you can carry 2 items from Merit and get a full look. This is a brand where you can take minimal products and they can work for different things because they're so sheer and they're buildable, so you can't go wrong. If you are someone, guys, who is a darker shade than me and you're worried that Merit won't work for you, I'd say pick them up, give them a try. I will have a link in my description box. If you order for your first time, you will get this beautiful signature bag with your order. And if you order over $40, you will get free shipping. But this goes to show you that they're coming out with shades that will look beautiful on darker skin tones. So all you can do is go out there and look and see if it's something that would work for you or not. But they are trying to broaden their shade range, and I love that about them. So guys, tell me what you think about this look here. Tell me what you think about the look in the previous clips as far as monochromatic, and if you will try out the products. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.